Hi, this is Ann with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to extend an image for free with Adobe Firefly, and this is using artificial intelligence or AI. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first you'll go to firefly.adobe.com and you'll need to make an Adobe account if you don't already have one, but it's free to make one. Now, I said that Firefly is free to use, but actually you only get a limited number of generative credits for free per month, and the exact number that Adobe lets you have, it can change. So if it's not working anymore, please let me know in the comments section below, and I'll try to find another option for you. Next, we'll come over here on the side to generate. Then I'm going to scroll down until I get to Generative Fill, and I'll just click this. Then I'll upload image, and I'll navigate to the image I want to use and then choose Open. Next, I'll choose Expand on the left, and that'll give me handles. I'm going to pull this over here. I want to expand it until I have a full plate of food here. I'm going to leave the prompt blank, and then I'll click Generate. And this will take some time. Okay, and here's how it did. It actually did a really great job. The pattern here is a little messed up, but it still looks pretty good at a glance. And we have three options here. So I'll take a look at the second option. It's okay. I think I like it a little bit better because it doesn't add stuff out here, but we still have some pattern problems. And then this is the last one, and I don't like it because of this weird edge here. So I'm going to use the second one, and I'll choose Keep. Then I'll come up here to Download. And this will put it on my computer. So if you're using Chrome, you can just click this little folder here to see it on your download. So because it's using artificial intelligence, you're not going to get a perfect image. But if you just need something quickly, it does a great job. And that's it. All right, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you liked it and you want to see more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button and then the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.